Preview.
Hi friends, I'm Parikshit from Lab.
And this is going to be an interesting drawing, Parikshit, right?
Yeah.
What is that?
Drag and draw
An ewok. Ewok from Star Wars.
Yeah.
We'll be needing a black sketch pen.
Dad, you know what is wars?
Star Wars.
You know what is wars first?
What are you asking? I did not get your question.
What is wars?
War. It is a fight. So let's
And
start. Star Wars is a game, a movie, and lot more. So we'll be needing
It's
a black.
a game.
Okay, so let's start drawing.
First, what are we going to make? The body.
The eyes.
The body.
The eyes.
The body.
The eyes.
No, the body is much easier.
We start from the eyes and then the nose. Yes. Okay. And now what do we do?
It's going to be looking like a little bit like a bear.
Now the face.
It's going to look like a bear.
Okay, see the face. How will the face be? Two straight lines on the left and right. And now we make the hairy body. Yes. Okay. Now let's. Wow, this is an interesting part of it. I'd love to draw this part. See. Yes.
I like this, Papa.
Yes.
See.
You're done?
Yeah.
Oh, that was fast.
Now drawing the ears.
Perfect. Now let's do the ears. The body. The legs.
The legs are kind of confusing. They are not.
It's easy.
Obviously.
Right, Parikshit?
Yep.
Yes.
Dad, you know Godzilla and King Kong are the titans. Yeah, they are titans. Knew that?
No.
Obviously, they are titans.
How?
Because they are so big.
What is the meaning of a titan? How does somebody become a titan?
Titan, I don't know how people become titans. But Godzilla and King Kong are titans.
Who said you this?
I saw on a movie or a
Okay.
YouTube video.
We are done. Now let us quickly get going with the colors. I'm done with the drawing of an ewok from Star Wars. Wow, this is an awesome drawing.
We both finished in the same one.
Yeah. Did you love the drawing?
If you love this video, do like and subscribe our channel to see more of this video.
Until then, have a wonderful day.
Bye.